How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Mac. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Wi-Fi icon on top of your screen and further tap on the network preferences option you see there. Now, tap on the advanced option and you will be led to a new window. In here, you will be able to see the option for proxies on the top toolbar. Tap on that and make sure all these options are unchecked, and just in case if some option is selected, then go ahead and unselect the option. Next, go ahead and forget the network that you are currently connected to and rejoin the network. To disconnect, tap on the advanced option again and select the network you are connected to and tap on the minus icon to remove the network. Once removed, go ahead and rejoin the network and your issue should have been fixed by now. And if not, then try to restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your device. So, this is how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.